Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about large stems, deliverability, making sure you're stable. Key is floral netting. You really need this. Take the time to place floral netting over your phone. Secure it in place. Then using waterproof tape, lock it down and repeat that. Cannot be too secure. Then drop it into the vessel. Now you're ready to truly design on a large scale. The stems will be supported. They're not going to break, bend, flip themselves out. You can angle them. They'll still support themselves. You don't have to worry about them falling over in transit. You can see just placing them in, nice and tall, in between those grids, getting that vertical movement that you know will be stable when you go to deliver. Now you know how the pros do it.